Everyone, I'm back again. I had a break and stuff and let stuff dry, and now I'm going to get this other lot of wheels on so you can see what I'm up to. Now I'm just going to make sure that they have not turned. That groove, it's there. Right, that groove's there. Makes it a lot easier to go in for me. And I've just done some other cleaning up of other parts too that are going to be next after this. The battery boxes. When I get them on, I think I might have a break for a bit. I know I've had a break, but it's just good to have this on. It's good to get this on. And my voice cracked a while back, and I just had to go and have a drink, and it's back now. It feels a bit cracky, but it's not too bad. Get these tyres on a bit glue. Get glue into here. Get glue into here so I can see what I'm gluing up. Scrape those parts for the battery boxes down so you'll be able to see that after I get these on. You'll be able to see the battery boxes going together. I've got one here and one over here ready to go, so you'll be right. And get some glue in here, side as well. In there as well, so that it's in there. Now that notch is to the top, so if I bring this over and put that into there, yep, I just heard that go click. I heard that click in, so it's right, it's in. Right, same here on this one. Then it will go into, just going to hold this for a tad so it glues.
Once a wound is transplanted, the recipient can deliver 2 babies before the organ has to be removed. There have been similar surgeries in Sweden. And it was second time lucky for the team behind this implosion in the United States. The old Detroit Stadium was finally brought down after the first attempt failed to topple the Pontiac Silverdome. Well done. Well, talking of well done, English policeman has hung on for dear life.
Just going to put them to the side, let them dry.
He managed to cling on until help arrived, earning him a name, in fact a nickname, Superman. On the bridge.
Don't want that going crooked, please, not crooked, please. One thing I'm still, that one's glued. This one here is just, this one here just doesn't want to glue right for me. It's just been a bit dicey for me. I always have little hiccups doing this, so I'm just going to put this over here out of the way. Put this paint underneath it, so it's over here out of the way. Now, I grab these boxes, battery boxes. There's one here, there's one here. I'm going to put these together. I'm not going to put them on, I'm going to put them together, then I'll grab the seats and I'll put them together as well. So you can see them. Now, see here, I've scraped all that down, and I've scraped around inside it because there's parts that go. Where this piece goes, and I've scraped in there. Where this goes, there's 2 notches. There's a notch there, and there's a notch there. And there's 2 bits sticking off the ends of this. So that goes over. Ooh, come back here, you. That goes over that there like that. It goes like that. That joins up like that, then the 2 sides go into it. And I'll get these glued up out of the way. It'll be good. And I'll let these dry, and then like what I said, I'll grab the seats, and I'll get them done up. I'll grab the steering wheel, I'll get that done up. I'm going to do these up first, so this is done up first. You can see where I've scratched it in there. Scratched it fairly heavy in here. Get some blue in there. And get some blue on this top bit. Blue on that top bit there. So it's there. Now grab hold of this. I can grab hold of the sides because I've got no glue on the sides. Now I'm going to grab this and put that there and there. That's the battery box and the step up into the truck on both sides. That goes like that. That's that one glued up, not completely. So I have to get these now. And these are the two sides that go into it, in there, each side. Just going to make sure this is scraped up properly, and I'm quite certain it is. That's scraped up, not scraped. Yep. That's underneath there, so I'm just going to scratch this across here. So then that glues into there. Hang hold of this here. I can run some glue around it, each side. Like that. That. And run some glue across there. And put the top back on the glue. Now it's good having this up here, so I can just pick this back up on that side. Now, in here, there's a couple of edges what this sits onto. I just grab this at the back. There's a ledge just there, and then there's a ledge in there where this slides into. So I'm just going to slide this in. Like that. And that is there. That's there, that's done. Now, I do the other side the same. I'll do this one the same.
Anderson's pace and desperation were back, almost wiping himself out. To England's great relief, he returned to finish off star. Anderson's first fifer on Aussie soil. Australia all out for 138. Still, England needed 350.
Get that into there.
22 more than their best ever chase.
Glue there.
Cook should have gone for one.
Glue there.
Hazelwood knew
I didn't scrape that.
but Smith
Oh,
challenged. Stoneman whipped Stark for 3 straight boundaries. The
now,
Barnsley were believing
grab
that the
hold of
Aussies
this
would make the
and
same
slip this one in the same way too.
Lyon struck Cook for 16. Stoneman was next to go as the
That's the one box build up. That's one done.
Carmichael's 7 years.
I'm going to get them done so they can glue. That's one completely done up out of the way. And I'll do the same thing with this one. Do this one up.
Players are getting into the Christmas spirit too after starting
Yeah.
pre-season training yesterday.
It's not hard to do it. But I'm talking about the grooves on the other one that are there, where I'll scrape to, where those pieces slide into. There's a groove there, I'll scrape onto, and there. And one bit I haven't scraped enough is the back one.
Right linked with fellow New South Welshman and former pro surfer Hall early last year. It says the results
That's right.
speak for themselves.
You can obviously see the changes in 2 years. I was good before, but now
And
I'm
some
better.
glue across the top
Time to head back
there.
to Hawaii or to Hawaii tomorrow to watch your brother Owen compete at Pipeline. Well, Jeff Horn admits he
And
faces a
some glue
struggle to
across
make weight
there.
for his welterweight world title defence against England's Gary Cochran in Brisbane next Wednesday.
It's always hard to make weight, but I know how to do it,
Yeah.
and I've got the process down pat.
Put that over there like that, and put that there like that. So that goes like that.
The Hellraiser says he'll have no trouble and decided to take his shirt off halfway through the media conference to
Now,
prove it.
flip this over.
Well,
And there's one bit where I have to scrape.
All of you with the details of
That's
the
it there.
this one, this is Emily at Lake Macquarie. If you
Because on this side, there's a bit across here. What goes onto there? One hand goes inside because it's not going to get seen.
Some Christmas trees are this, and some are that.
Same with this one.
In a garden, and some are big.
Scrape them down and they'll be right. Now, I now put glue on that one, but I seen I put a bit too much. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab the glue and I'm going to glue this up in here.
You'll always get a big win at Big W.
The glue there, put the glue there, and put the glue there. So then I can put each side one on. And it will go in. Like that. Oi, that one fell. You rat bag. You rat bag, you fell, didn't you? You rat bag. That piece fell on me. So what I'm going to do is re-pick it up again. Put it back in again.
Work alongside a farmer, bridging the gap between machinery, technology, agronomy, and inputs to help make better, data-driven decisions that simplify your
Get up like
investment
that.
technology and
Back
increase
in.
yields to improve your bottom line. Visit vantage-nsw.com. Your partner
And
in
do the same on this one.
Want help maintaining a healthy weight? Help manage your dietary intake with Healthy Care Ultra Strength Garcinia Cambogia from Chemist Warehouse. It may assist in your
That one's
weight
stuck
management
now.
program so you can move confidently
Put
into
that into there.
Find out Chemist Warehouse Healthy Care
So that's that. So that's that battery box too. It's done. Now what I'm going to do, grab that, and grab this. I haven't attached it, but it's not that hard to attach. Knock it off.
Share the prawns, and your view, and the Christmas feast.
We'll let them dry.
Share moments
Let them dry and set.
and don't forget to share with
And these are two other tanks that go on part of the frame that goes above the battery box. It's where these go, so they have to stay with the battery box. So you're going to go there. Now, I'm going to get the seats out and I'm going to get the steering wheel out and build them. I need the seat brackets and I need the seat backs. Soon, it's going to be building the cab. That's going to be something good. Get that built up out of the way. Now, there's the seat braces. Now I know what I need for the seats. Oh, she's fell over. I'll put her up on her wheels. The truck fell completely over. That's alright. I've dealt with it. Right, now I'm going to turn this way up. Grab this seat. Crack that one. Crack that one. Yeah. That one off there. Get that one off that way, and I'll do that one that way. Everyone will want to come that way, so I'll let it come that way. Right, that piece out of there. That piece out of there. And just that piece over there. And that piece over there. Those pieces can go back in there for now. Now, those two. Now, when you're doing these, you've got to be careful got to be careful you don't put two bigs and two smalls together. Because on the floor of this, there's a small hole and a big hole. And you've got to make sure you get them in the right places. If you don't, she won't go in right for you. So I'll show you what I mean by. There's a big one there. So that when that goes in, that piece has to go into there. Into that big hole. And this one has a small one, so that one has to go into there.
She's doing really well at the moment, though. Yeah, she's killing it. You've mentioned that
You've got to know where they go.
Yeah, I don't think she can do anything. Come on, man. Livy deserves better than this. Grow up.
And just clean these holes out, because I've got stuff to go in these holes.
I didn't give anyone any names. She gave us the car to cover the damages. 20 years trouble, the neon flashing lights. Have you seen anything about going there?
Does anybody know exactly what happened? Yeah, apparently he tripped down some stairs at his nursing home.
Hey, you okay? Who's that?
It's my dad. It's Boyd. He did this to my dad.
How many of you all did it take to beat up that old man?
Good.
So hard.
Now I've got to make sure I don't have anything on this. Yep, there. That there. Now, that's that one. I'll leave that one on there so it doesn't get mixed up. Now these,
Hey, what happened? Are you okay? Yeah, I was just dealing with some jokes here off the world. Look, hey, what are they? No, they ain't gone. They're gone. Hey, why do I keep hearing this spell her name, but not in a good way? Well, it wasn't her fault. It's just,
they go there like that, and then I've got to paint over that to put and seal them up.
Boss. No. Police have to wake up tomorrow, mate. She can ask you some questions. No. Look, Royce, you can ask questions tomorrow, okay? Right now, I need to go down to comp shop. Hey, maybe you should drive me.
You didn't have to cover my eyes all the way from the driveway.
Yes, I did. Business is going well. Alrighty.
Should I ask what it is?
And you can get one hint.
Is that one done?
Think of 3 things that you love most.
And this one.
Ready?
You made me a surprise TV picnic.
Yeah, some of these black.
Exactly what I needed.
Yeah?
Yeah. But I'm confused. My favorite pizza, obviously. My favorite
What is that?